First, you need to prepare fresh bamboo shoots. These are bamboo shoots I just cut from the garden. Wash the bamboo shoots thoroughly under the cool stream. It feels so relaxing. Then, peel the bamboo shoots clean. See, after peeling, the bamboo shoots are white and tender, looking very delicious. Next, I put the peeled bamboo shoots in a basket to drain. After the bamboo shoots have drained, take them out and cut them into small pieces, then arrange them in a jar. To ferment the bamboo shoots, I will add some spring water and a little white salt to the jar. Close the jar lid. Let the bamboo shoots soak for 1 month, and then they are ready to use. Now, we will make the rice noodles. Wash the rice clean and put it into a stone grinder to grind. The grinder blade crushes the rice grains into powder, then slowly turns it into a white liquid. Watching the white liquid flow down is so satisfying. Then, use a cloth to filter the rice powder. Squeeze out the water to dry the powder. Now we will sift the powder to prepare for making the noodles. The powder is sifted. Do you see the powder is white and fluffy? Add boiling water to the powder and knead it evenly. Then, add a little cooking oil. Place the kneaded dough into a mold. Press the dough gently to form the noodle strands. Boil the noodles in boiling water. Then, put the boiled noodles into cold water to make them chewier. The noodles are done, you can plate them and enjoy. Now we will prepare the snails. You can buy pre-cleaned snails at the market or catch them from the stream and soak them overnight to remove all the sand. Use scissors to cut the tails off the snails. Then, wash the snails thoroughly and put them in a bowl. Now, we will start making the snail broth. Put the snails in a pan and stir fry. Add a little chili and white wine to enhance the flavor of the dish. The snail broth is done. Now you can put the snail broth into a pot to simmer with bones. Finally, slice the sour bamboo shoots. Now, I will put the sliced bamboo shoots on a plate. We have finished the snail noodle with bamboo shoots. Everyone, please enjoy.